do? How you getting? You okay? Welcome everybody to a bit of a... Oh, hang on. Do? How you getting? Let me just swap a few things around. Okay. Testing. Hello. Welcome everybody to a bit of a... Oh, sounds alright. Okay. Right, so what we're up to today? We're up to a bit. Actually, there's a bit of a cable here. Need to get rid of that cable. Hold on. Oops. Too many cables. I've actually gone totally insane now. Yeah. Basically, I was streaming from my dining area, so I've actually moved into my own recording studio now. So it's no longer a home recording studio, it's a bit of a mismatch. And I wasn't using it anyway. I spent more time on the streaming and editing and designing stuff. Where are you? I've got cameras everywhere now. I've run out of USBs actually. So there's a camera up there, camera here. Let's switch over to this other one. I do. This is the other camera. How you doing? Don't know where to look. Oh, there's another camera as well as a one down here. This camera. I do. So I'm doing a bit of a test tonight. Welcome to jump on and tell me if it's any good or whatever, or normally it won't be any good, it'll be wrong, but yeah. Anyway, if you haven't, I've not shown you this room before. Let's get back to the room view. Yeah, not showing this room before. Was supposed to be a home recording studio, but I've sort of duplicated a lot of stuff. I had this stuff here for years, not used it, not used it, and I've moved all my stuff from the streaming area up into here. So I've got a bit of everything now going on. I've got some KRK Rocket 5 monitors there, Generation 3, and up the top here you can't see them, but there's another two exactly the same, which I got attached to my speaker, which they were down where I was doing my streaming before. I've abandoned the old microphone. I've got a Shure SM58 here on the go, and don't know whether you can see this. Let me get the other view. You might be able to see it. Hang on. Yeah, see that one there? That's a Rode NT1. I've had it from brand new with a stand that's got a reflection filter on it. Now, the bands that hold the shock mount have gone all slack, so I might write a letter to Rode, because I've never used it yet. I've set it up and it's been sat there for, I suppose it's been sat in the shock mount for, maybe you're not supposed to leave it in the shock mount, but it's been sat in there for since 2016 when I bought it. So I was at 4, 5, I mean, that's 8 years. I better not write a letter, they'll just laugh at me, won't they? But I expect the rubber bands to hold out longer than that, but anyway, it might be because I need to adjust them, I don't know. Anyway, let's go back to the other one. So, right, okay. So, what we up to, I don't know. Just sort of trying to set up this and make sure everything's good. Got the recording studio computer over there. Got all my leads out at the minute, but under there is an Akai MPK249. I've just got to sort out that a minute. Right, hang on, what's that doing? Yeah, that's okay. So we're just doing a bit of a test at the minute. I know it's a bit late to be doing a test, but it's took me all this time to get things ready to set up. And we just have a look at the stream for a second. That's okay. So we're just doing a bit of a test. Right, okay. Yeah, so what? Is it? I think I need a third monitor actually. That's what I need, a third monitor. There's the desktop view. Have I got it set up right? Yeah, hang on. Yeah, so we've got the screen capture on the go, and there's me in the corner. We've got the it's ESP32 chat. So let's. I'm trying to do some. I'll show you something weird actually. I'm just trying to set up. You can see I'm trying to set up a variable class that goes into a button, and also a variable label that's in the button, but it's not working. It's doing some strange stuff. Anyway, do you want to see what it's actually doing? It's quite hilarious. Give us a second. Let me just set this up. Let me just get this set up for you. I knew I'd always forget to do something. Right. So, I'll tell you what. You're going to need the other view as well, aren't you? Hang on. Right. So you got the bench view. We've got two ESP32s on UPAT KPV2, PCBs, sheets, shields, whatever you want to call them. My universal controller base them on. There's two RFID readers as a fob here. Anyway, you've seen all that before. Let's get this on the go. Right. Oops, what's going on here? Right, it always goes back to that one. So, right, so we've got the. Let's just switch off the down view a minute. Yeah. So we've got in the Chrome browser, we've got the IP address gone out to. Let me just bring that over a bit so you can. It'll jump to that. So it's login. I've done a few changes with the colours, and you can see that glitch there. That's supposed to change the text, but there's something gone wrong and it's affected all this. But watch there. That's back to normal, and that's serving up this graphic. So it's a funny thing. Anyway, go back over to here. Time zone. Got this working fairly well now. We're going to add. I've just worked out today. I remembered when I was at work driving the van. I thought, because I'm limiting this to if there's anyone watching, just say hello or anything. So because I've got the text on the OBS coming up from the chat, but I can't see if there's any watchers because I can't. I haven't got another screen for the browser to go on. I need to set up another screen. I've just answered my own question. Anyway, I've just realised I've got two slots here set up, on at and off at. Oh, that's gone weird as well. I've altered something there, haven't I? I broke it, haven't I? Right, let me. I'll tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to go back and undo what I've just done. Well, it wasn't. It was yesterday. So let's take tog 1 off. I don't know what's going on. I think that's probably because there's nothing in there. That's right. So let's just take this off a minute. So it'll say toggle 1 and toggle 2. Toggle 2. Oops, I'm going crazy. Right, yeah. So that's that. I'll just take away the class that looks after it. This one here. I need to turn that into a comment. Is it just as easy as that? Is that a comment? Can't remember now. Let me just find that. I've got rid of all my comments. Anyway, I hope the audio is a bit better today. Is there any comments? I can't remember to do a comment now in H2L. I'll tell you what, let's just get rid of them. Let's get rid of them. Right, okay. So we're going to upload that now. I hope my port's still the same. Right, so we've got a lot going on. Oh, why am I showing you this? Anyway, I'll show you that, aren't I? Yeah, so I'm just getting set up. It's a bit awkward. It's a bit awkward setting it up. There's too much going on, if you know what I mean. Loads of stuff going on. So all that's compiling. I'll just go onto the bigger screen. Yeah, there's a lot going on. I mean, I'm trying to compile stuff, edit it, code, make changes, set up the studio, recording, set up different things, try and configure stuff. I've also got another setup in my electronics lab, which is in another spare room. I've done some streams from that lab. So I got two. Really, I mean, the only way to do it is to have one room that does everything: home recording studio, programming, and then the electronics. It'd just be craziness trying to do. Imagine trying to record something. Anyway, that's written that. Let's have a look at that. I'll go back to that one. Right. Let's just bring that up. Right, so we're going to log back into this. Let me see if I've put it back as it was. Yeah, it's back as it was. Don't go red now. Oh, I've made a tri-state button as well. As you tap it, it's off. You tap it once, it clicks on. Tap it again, and the red means it's following the timer, the 7-day timer. Let's just go on to see if we brought this back now. Yeah, we're back on now. So anyway, what I was thinking, you can't see me hand waving. What I was thinking is I limited it to 2 slots because I didn't want to repeat all these slots. But I've worked it out now. Possibly, I can change it so you could have loads of slots. And you just have one way of entering it, but you have to enter each slot at a time and click save. And what it'll do, depending on where you've chosen your time slot to go. So if I chose to go 8 o'clock there, say till 9 o'clock. Alright, I'll choose the day. So was it Friday today yet? Is it Friday now? No, not yet. Right, so click on save. Right, has it changed it? No. Has it crashed? What's happened? Did it not save it? Hang on. Let's have a look. It's a bit of a work in progress, this is. Or is that what I set it to? I can't remember what I set now. Oh, I set 30. Oh, sorry. Yeah, because it kept the Wednesday, and I was looking at Wednesday. This is what it just set. That's it. It worked fine. Yeah. Okay, so you use that one, and then say if I wanted to create another slot. Say if I did Friday afternoon, so I could just choose Friday, and I'll just choose say 5 till 6. Click save. See how it's put it in over here? It's put it over here, but it doesn't matter where it puts it. I mean, if I put an earlier one in, now at the minute it overwrites the Friday slot, this does. Because I haven't put a value in for that, and if I try to put another value in different, say if I go Friday again, and just do the morning one for Friday, say 8 till 9. Oh, it's 8 till 10 to make it different. If I click save, it'll put that in, but it's got rid of that one, see? That's because I've got 2 slots. But if I get rid of one of the slots and just do it like that, it basically can have as many slots as you want. So it's defined. There's amount of slots is defined though. It's in this bit here, isn't it? Yeah, you've got a certain amount of slots set up. Let me go to the slots where it creates these things. But it goes into a buffer, so yeah, so you've got 2 slots, and they're defined. Yeah, defined at the top. So what I need is, the problem is, do I need to define this slot? Can it just, I could just have 1 slot and just save it anyway, yeah. Yeah, so I don't really need a slot. Only true. I've got, yeah, so it's awkward because knowing how to do it for the best, you know. So anyway, let me just have a quick look at the stream, make sure we're still going alright. Only true. I've got, yeah, so it's awkward because yeah, I've got another mic I could switch on, but I'm not sure what that's going to do. It's sat over there, so I don't think we need it at the minute. So anyway, right. So there's going to be a lot more stuff going on. Let me just forget about the code a minute. We'll come back to that. Let's have a look at the this view again, or this one. God, I don't know which one's the best. Probably see my belly now. Let's go to this one. Yeah, that's alright. So I got my Iron Maiden shirt on. What does it say? Never actually read it. What's it say? Trooper. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Let's have a swig. So there's nothing much going to go on tonight. I might do a little bit here and there, but I've just got the room set up. Now this wall, the wall I'm looking at now, was all my guitars are hanging up. I to take them all down and stash them into the corners. I've even got some in another room. So too many guitars, basically. Too many guitars, too many keyboards. Anyway. It's turned into a bit of a weird stream, this one. But I've got a load of stuff here to sort out. Yeah, printers, amplifiers. It's just a bit of a mess. I'm trying to sort it out. I've got more stuff to bring in yet, so it's a problem. Anyway, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I had a nice thing going on yesterday. Yeah, and a nice thing going on yesterday. When I had an endoscope down my throat yesterday. Not very nice. Basically, I've been on soup for about 10 days now. Well, about 4 or 5 days, and about 5 days trying different foods. Something happened, got stuck down here. Couldn't eat no solid food. So anyway, I think I'm all right now. I haven't really tried much solid food, but anyway. So in the meantime, I've set up in here. Now I haven't got a camera. I've got a spare camera here, another one. But the problem I've got another one here. It's an OK thing. It's only a cheap thing. This one. It's all right. It's all right. But the only problem is I've got no more USB ports. Yeah, got no USB ports. So that's going to be a bit of a problem. Let's go to this other view. Where are you? Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's better. That's a better view, isn't it? Oh yeah, you see me homemade rack at the back. Homemade server rack. And I was gonna. There's plenty going on. That never went on, basically. The problem I had is let's go back to the other one. Don't like that one. Anyway, let's go back to the code one. Right, so go back here. Yeah. Oh dear. Right. Anyway, there's plenty going on. I'll tell you what's the problem I got down here. See this here? It's not very good. The lighting. What I need is a strip light here. A strip light coming down, because I can't get the light in right here. And these LEDs are quite bright. I need to put some tape over them, because the camera, it doesn't like these bright lights. So if I put my finger over them, you can even see through my fingers. Look, see them? Too bright, aren't they? Look at that. It's crazy, isn't it? They're too bright, and it's taken the. I suppose I've got to turn them over for temporary. So turn them over. What happens if you turn? No, that's a bad idea. Don't turn them over, Dave. Right. Anyway, so what I was trying to do, going off on all sorts of tangents here. Sorry about that. Well, what I was trying to do, I've got these controls. When you log in, it goes takes you straight to your controls. A minute, I can impulse the relay. Actually, you can't see it, can you? Let me switch it on. Oh, you can. Yeah. There you are. Yeah, you can see it. Right. I don't know if I can brighten that up any, but anyway. Let's try and brighten that up a bit. Bench cam. Let me just try and brighten this bench cam up a bit. Hang on. How can we do that? Doesn't help it. It's got the screen in the way as well. So brighten it up. Brighten it up. Is that any better? A bit probably. Right. I don't know. Don't know if that's better. It's a bit. This lighting's gone a bit weird here. Right, anyway, so if I toggle this on, you can see it's lit up that, and lit up the LED for the relay. If I toggle it again, it's still on, but it's on red, and I've toggled it again, it goes off. So it's, instead of it just being a single toggle, it's a three-way toggle. So you go off, on, red, and then off. Now I haven't put anything in for what the red is. It's gonna be, so it's working off the timer instead of just toggle. Basically, if you've got 7-day central heating timer or DIN rail timer, you'll have on it. You'll have an on, an automatic, and an off. So that's an off state. You click it, that's an on state. Now you go to this one. It's automatic or follows the timer. The timer obviously set from the time zone here. So I'll tell you what, let's do a live demo. Why not? Let's turn it back off. So it's off now, 22:55. So we'll set the clock. Now it does 15-minute periods, so interval, so I'll have to set Thursday. I can set it on now. I'll tell you what, we set it on at 23:45. We set it on. Hang on. You can't actually see this. It's come down the screen. But anyway, 23:45 and off at. Actually, I don't know if you can do off. Yeah, so it's going to have to go off. I haven't actually done this. I don't know if I've done this. But anyway, this is. I've never really set it this close on the last segment to see what happens. Be interesting to see what's going on. So I can't turn it off. I can turn it off at midnight. Yeah, so that's midnight for Thursday. Let's see what happens. So it'll be interesting. I've never tried this. Will it even like what I've just put in? Yeah, it's on for 23:45 and it's off then. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now we've got 4 minutes to wait there, that's the only thing. Because that's telling it when it's on. It'll normally stay on for 15 minutes. So it should work. It should work. Not tried it. Don't know. We need to test that. Anyway, right, let's get back to something or other. Yeah, so I'm going off on a tangent anyway again. Let's go back to the controls. So these are off at the minute, and you can see down here it's off, it's not green. So they're off. This one, it's got some older firmware on it at the minute. Actually, let's bring up the older firmware. Let's bring it up. Right, so there it is. So you can see it was green. I've changed the colours of the buttons, and they were all green, and I've changed to grey. Like they're grey now. And there's something going on with the toggle there. That's weird, isn't it? Yeah. The font's changed for some reason. Anyway, I'll have to sort that out. Oh, it should be like that. Yeah, I've been playing around with it. Right, anyway. So, yeah, so it's basically the same, but let's stick to the other one. So this is a bit of a tangent, this one. Oh, how many minutes we got? Another 1.5 minutes. See what happens. Oh no, that ain't going to work because it's already gone past. I'm actually going mad, you know. 23:45. So it's off. I need to reset the. I tell you what we'll do. We'll log out. We'll reset it because it's gone past the period. It only checks it on the minute period, so. And it's not done it anyway, is it? Let's log in. No, it didn't do it. Let's check the time zone. So it didn't like this time zone. It's not set anyway. It hasn't got my Friday in there. That's weird. Yeah. Right, anyway, let's put Friday on to come on, and on at 0. I haven't tried this actually. And off at 0:15. See what happens. Ready? So it's on at 0. I don't think it likes to be on at it in 0 hour. I'm gonna have to sort that out. But most of the people there, I know it's crazy, but that's treated as it has come on. It's come on anyway. It's just switched on, so it does work. So it must have treated that as a slot. Okay, so it worked anyway. Fair enough. I didn't expect it to work. It's because we've got an off. But yeah, we've got an off. So I've left some of the criteria stuff out while I'm testing. So it will let you do certain things without wanting to do it. Alright. Let's just check the live stream. But yeah, we've got an off. So Right, just check the live stream. Nobody about this time of night. They're all gone to bed. They're all in bed. Oh well, never mind. I'm just doing a test tonight if anyone's watching. Just having a crazy time. Bit of a crazy time. Anyway, so that's going to go off at. We'll leave that running, and it'll go off at. I'll take it off the picture then. Let's put you on another view. Go back to this. That one, shall we? Or that one? Don't know. Anyway, it's a bit of a mess still. Still sorting it out. I've got stuff here. Hi-fi here that used to be over here. Got all sorts of stuff everywhere. Anyway, so what I was going to do is set up a bit of an area behind me with some cupboards you can pull out, and a white area. And what I was going to do, I've got lots of clear IKEA boxes of tubs full of stuff that I've collected up over the years and stuff I've put away. Some of it I don't want, some of it I want to keep, so I've got to go through it. But there's lots of old retro computers and stuff in there, so I've got to decide which ones I'm going to keep, if I'm going to keep them. I've just been collecting. I've not sold anything. I've not done anything with anything. So, right. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, so I've got to sort out. I've got to sort that out. It's not switching the toggle on from this thing because I haven't told it to. No, it used to do it, but it's not doing it now. Because the state is the state. Yeah, I haven't told it what state it's in, so we need to sort that out. I've got a bit to sort out, obviously, but anyway, I ain't gonna do it tonight. I ain't gonna start coding tonight, so I could do that tomorrow night. Just trying out the system, got it set up a bit. Hopefully, the audio is not too loud and not too quiet and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so let's we'll leave that there for a bit. You can't see that anyway. What else can we say? Yeah, well, what I'll do is depends on what kind of stream I'm doing. I'll show you stuff, some stuff like show you some stuff. Probably have that view actually. That's a different view. That's the recordings bench. Supposed to be. So you got the rack on the side. You got your microphones, and there's the booth around the back of me. If you want to sing, you got a reflection filter and all the pop filter and all that stuff. I suppose I could switch that on actually. Should I switch it on? Nah, do that another day. Let's go back to that one again. Yeah, so I got my logo floating on the screen. I got nowhere to put it. I don't know where to put it, so I just left it somewhere. Left that one there, and this one's over there. Anyway, it's all a bit madness going on. I still got the old intro outro business going on as well. Oh, I'm a bit tired. Right, I won't go on for too long. So you can't see this setup here. I can't show you that without disturbing all the cameras. I need to set up a camera that's remote. Maybe on my phone or something. I don't know. I got to set that up. So it's one of them. Anyway, can't remember what I did now. Yeah, I'm trying to go back to this a minute. Right. So what I'm trying to do, let's lose that a minute. I'm trying to adjust with the way the ESP32 and the async server thing works. I can ask ChatGPT, but I don't think it'll know the answer. Let's go on ChatGPT a minute. If it's awake this time of night. How can I help today? Right, so we've got ChatGPT over here. Okay. Right, I better copy a bit of code over. Right, let's copy it some code. What should we gonna see? I've got to. Right, it's gonna be awkward. So what I'm trying to do, I want to update. Where is it? Yeah, that's not it. Oh, I've gone past too far, haven't I? Here it is. No, that's not the one. Here it is. Is that the one? Yeah. That's the one. So I'll paste this over into ChatGPT. Right, so I'm going to paste this over and let's see what it says about it. Alright, looks like you provided HTML code for a login section with buttons. Each button has an ID attribute. So on click, right, okay. That's why it changed the font, because I put a H2 in there. Right, I need to get rid of that H2. What's it say about the with button? Right, that's why they were different font size, I think. Let me just go back to that. I need to get rid of that. So it's part of the old code. This is right. So that's using. Yeah, let's get rid of these. Get rid of these for a bit because it didn't work anyway. I'm about to ask ChatGPT why it didn't work. See if it can give me the answer. I need it another way of making it work, so let's copy this again. Alright, let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay. Right, it appears the logic section. Let me break down the structure. Right. It's an ESP32 running async ESP32 server. I am trying to change the class and the text at the same time, but goes corrupt. Oops, too many. It goes corrupt. I can only do one at a time. See if it makes any sense for my gibbering. If you're encountering issues updating both the class and the text at the same time with it running an async server, it might be related to the asynchronous nature of the server and how you're handling these updates. Asynchronous programming requires careful handling to avoid potential race conditions. Here's a general approach. You might use callbacks or promises. Ensure that the updates are performed in a way that respects the asynchronous flow. You might consider using callbacks or promises to sequence your updates. Update class and text separately. Instead of trying to update both this class and the text simultaneously, try updating them in separate steps. Ensure that one update is complete before initiating the other. Okay. Here's a simple example using JavaScript, a hypothetical asynchronous function, to update the class and text. Right, okay, update the task class and update the text. Example. In this example, the async update function simulates an asynchronous operation. Sounds complicated. And updates the class and text separately. Adjust the function to suit your needs. Right. Asynchronous update. My class and new text. I don't know. I am using a processor. If you're working with ESP and ASICs, library handling updates is challenging. Relies on server requests handle incoming requests to be built in a non-blocking manner. Here's an example of how you might handle update the class text. Right, server on. Okay, it's giving me a bit more this time. Alright, so it's connecting to Wi-Fi, server on, update element async, TB1, right, update element async, right, okay, request. So the update element async is simulate async, get element by ID element. Okay, so he's created me a new function. This example defines an update element async function that simulates and then broadcasts a JavaScript code snippet to. Right, so okay, so how am I going to do that then? I don't need all this. The server on, update async, TB1 new class. Alright, so we could put that in and do a demo. Where's the HTML though? I've got no, unless it's my own one. So what's that doing? It's doing a get on it, and it's updating this server clients.broadcast. Okay, script C#. Send the JavaScript to the client so it's broadcasting it. Keep in mind that this simplifying that maybe need to adapt it. Right. Okay. So where it gets complicated. Yeah. Right. So if I server that, what that's going to do is root. I've already got yeah, I'm already doing the processing. Update element async. TB1. New class. New text. Right, okay. So TB1 is the is the ID. Okay. Right, so we can give that a go. If that'll work, that'll be great, because I've been trying to do that. You guys are going funny. Anyway, recipe on that. Let's have a look. Tell you what, where we got this view here. I'll tell you what, let's go to this one. I've got talking to a Wi-Fi sheep, Tom, and I ordered a, where is it? I'll show you these two bits. Do a bit of so I got a couple of things. Said to Tom I was going to buy a VGA, ESP32 VGA. Can you see that? You've seen them before anyway. It's the V1.4. It's ESP32 S3, I believe. I believe it is. Anyway, is that. Hang on, can I do a down cam? Let's have a look at the down cam. Is that any better? Don't know. Anyway, got one of them. I'm not doing anything with it yet, but I thought we might use it for another way of. Let's go back to that one. That one or that one? I don't know. Going crazy. Oh yeah, and there's another one. This another gadget. Here it is. Actually, shall I go on to this one? Hang on. Right, another gadget. Here it is. It's a little adapter thing. Probably going to be handy, quite handy. Can you see that? Oh, I haven't got a full screen version of this one. I've got the focus switched off, so you're not going to see it. Anyway, what that one does is plug one of the early ESPs in there, ESP8266 in there, and ESP32 in there. and it's got the chip on board to program it. So this adapter, I haven't tried it yet, but you should be able to push a module in there without without it being on a board and program it, which is quite handy. Really, it's got the little spring contacts, see spring contacts on it. To clip it, it clips in the PCB. So I've got to try that at some point. They're only cheap now, not too bad. Not many dollars. Anyway, let's put that back. So there's a couple of ESP gadgets to show you. Yeah. There we are. Right, anyway, I'll put them back for now. You can't see that area there. It's a great thing I've set up there, it's brilliant. Well, I've got to have a sip of something. Have a sip of something. Hang on a minute. It is crazy. What we got here? One of them. Yeah. Anyway, let's have that one. No, let's have. I don't know which one to have. Let's just have that. No, let's have that one. I don't know. I'm just gonna have a drink. Tell you what. While I have a drink, go and have an interim. Alright, go and have yourself an interim. Right, here we go. Ready? Okay, we're back. I've had my drink. Right. Oh, what else can I show you? Oh, this is a nice little gadget here. This is pretty handy. It's I just thought, I wonder if I could put a USB, that camera in there. You never know. Tell you what, let's try it. What did I do with that little camera? There it is. I don't know what's going to happen here. It might send me offline. It might knock one of my cameras out. So what I'm going to do is plug this camera into a spare slot on me hard drive caddy. Right. So let's try it. Ready? Here we go. It says it's USB 3. Right, it's in. Is it going to light up anything? Is it going to blimp at me? I don't know. We're switched on, but it hasn't recognised anything, I don't think. Right, so let's let's see if I can add another. See if I can add another camera. It's probably not a good idea, is it? But I'll try it. What should we do with it? Let's create a new scene, call it roaming cam. Roaming cam, right. I got back to that, so it cut me off then. Switched over to roaming cam. Now I've got to add the mic to roaming cam. I don't know if this is going to work. It's a bit of a live try, so what I need to do is copy to you're going to lose me for a second. Right, you should have audio again. Right, I'm about to add a video capture device. Oh, it's got me. There it is. Right, okay. Right, give me a second. Alright, so we've got a roaming cam. Let me just make sure I haven't lost the other cams. Hello? You doing okay? So we've got that cam. Let's take that down the list a bit. Alter that so I can see my cams a bit more. It's mad, this, isn't it? Anyway, right. So we've got a handheld roaming cam. That camera's still working. We're still live here. Very good. Yeah, we're all okay there. Got your audio still. Got the audio. Yeah. Still okay. This one. Still okay. That one. And there's me holding the camera. It's funny this. So we've got roaming cam. So I should be able to show you my shelf, which you can't see normally. See that? Hang on. Let's just lock these up. Right. There's my shelf, and it's very sparse at the minute. There's my other set of speakers. Other set of speakers there. And there's me rig. There's what you can't see normally. And guitars shoved everywhere. Sorry about that. Still got to sort out. Yeah, got lots to sort out. So this is the Oki cam. Oki Koki cam. No, it's the Oki. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I've got some lighting up the top there, pointing the wrong way there. So pointing the wrong way. Okay. Anyway, so there's my other camera, the down bench cam. Then we got the face cam and room cam monitors, and I'll show you this. That's what I bought off Amazon. It's alright. It's aluminium. You can put a memory card in it. I've got the USB going out to. Actually, it's not a good. Sorry about the shaky cam. Anyway, that's the controller. Is that a better picture of a controller? Let's have a look. There's a close-up of the controller in action. Oh, if I could get my eye-to-hand coordination right. So you've got your ESP32 S node MCU on there. Got an RFID reader on it. We've got another one over here, exactly the same. And that's it, basically. Yeah. There's this setup. So this one you can plug in your hard drives, 3.5, and let me just make sure I am actually streaming here. Let me just quickly make sure I am actually streaming. Let's see if we got audio. So this one you can plug in your hard drives. Yeah, shaky cam. 3.5, and yeah. So I should rename it to shaky cam, really, shouldn't I? Yeah, you can't hot do them. You just switch it off, plug them out, plug another one in, and switch it back on. It does SD card, TF card, and a couple of USB 3 ports. So that's enabling me to do this cam. It's pretty good, really, considering. Sort of maxed out the ports on the back of the computer there. They're streaming. Anyway, right, that's going to do it for that one. Oh, I got which angle do you like? Making you feel seasick? Oh, let's have a quick look at the rig at the back here. Let's have a look. So you've got a bit of stuff going on in the back there. We've got a nice. I love that Laney 4 channel amp. It's brilliant. That. Oh, I've lost you. I've gone froze for some reason. Just hold on a second. Let's get settings. Right, they're back again. Yeah, something happened there. Actually, this one did used to freeze up sometimes. This one, so it might not be nothing to do with the shaky cam. Or maybe I pulled it out. Maybe I pulled it. Yeah, so we've got the Laney amp. I've got the. Who's the maker of that one? I can't remember. Oh, Ultra Patch Pro. Patch Bay with nothing in it yet. We've got an Akai Professional MIDI sampler. One of the first version, SO1. Then we got stereo graphic equalizer. We got what we got there? A Korg ESP3205RW. We've got a MIDI switch here, and we've got something else, can't remember. What's that? MIDI recorder? Don't know what that is. Oh, we've got a Yamaha AWM sound expander there. Oh, froze again. We're doing alright today. Right, so I don't know where that's freezing because I'm pulling the cable. Anyway, yeah, so we've got... What was I saying? I wonder why that went off again. Yeah, so we've got the Yamaha, the two soundbank tone modules. I've got a MIDI recorder. I don't really use that much anymore. What else we got? Got an Akai, a small Akai keyboard there. Look at this thing here. Look at that. An IBM Model M. Model M keyboard. Worth about 200 quid this one. Look at that. IBM Model M. Brilliant. I use that on my studio. And we got what we got there? Look at that. Steinberg CC121 sequencer, and underneath here is all the leads. I got some leads, but underneath here you can't see it, but it's yeah, try and get it out so you can see it. I've just been messing around a bit. I don't normally have it like this, but underneath there is the Akai MPK249. That's a pretty good sequencer, that is. Brand new, I never really used it yet. And then we got a Roland D10. I refurbished that one, put all new buttons in it. What we got? I suppose I could just stand up slowly. Right, I'll show you the pièce de resistance in a minute. We got some guitars down there. More keyboards. We've got Pro Sound 300 watt speakers on stands. And we got Rocket Studio monitors there, and then the rig, and then we got Scarlett 2i2 audio interface. We got the one I was using before, that Alesis, that's got a bit more noise on it, that one. So another set of Rockets over there. Oh, you can see my guitar hangers. I've still got them on the wall where I had my guitars hanging down. I made them myself. Anyway, and what else we got? Let's have a look. I'll make sure I don't freeze. We've got some guitars just hanging down there. And a Kawai K1 down there. See that Kawai K1? That one, I put a new main board in it, a new keyboard, PCB, and cleaned it all up and did a lot of work on that. You can't see the one right at the back. See that one there? It's a little Yamaha guitar. Can't see it. It's stuck behind them others. And what else we got going round? Let's go round. I've got this Yamaha S30. That's got to be repaired, that has. And can't see this one. I've got old hi-fi stack. This is a Pioneer 1992 hi-fi stack. That's alright. And we've got, let me just get rid of the chair a minute so I've got some room to walk around. I can't walk too far, so I'll pull the lead out. Right, we got printers and stuff here. Got some guitars. Got the other thing. Yeah, like this is a bit of a mess. More guitars. I've got guitars in the other room. Where's my guitar pedal? Can't see any pedals actually. They've gone. They've been a couple of amps and stuff. It's a bit of a mess. I've got my pedal board gone. It's missing. It's hiding. I'll have to find that out. Anyway, let's go to the pièce de resistance. If my lead will reach without crashing out. This is the one that I love. This thing. Look at this. Look at that. Korg M1. See that? I got it on its side. It was upright. That's what they play Robin S with. So anyway, we're doing all right on the shaky cam. Right, I'm getting back down now. Looking off the shaky cam now. Back to room view. Right, so anyway, let's get rid of this camera out of the way a minute. Now. I'm surprised that worked actually. So I've got a lot of sorting out to do, as you can see. But I haven't really been in this room for ages, and I don't get time to go in it because I'm busy on the electronics, on the programming, day job and all the rest of it. The idea of setting this little home recording studio was just if I wanted to just come in the door, switch on the power, just switch the power on and literally have 10 minutes doing something or other, you know, playing a guitar or keyboard or this is where I made the intro. This one here, you know, the intro. Ready? Yeah, that's where I made that from. So anyway, let's see if there's anyone still awake. No, nobody's awake. Nobody's awake. Shame, anyway. Oh well. Right. Oh dear. So anyway, gonna go through it bit by bit and try. I've got so much to do. It's unbelievable, you know. Anyway, right. So what I'm gonna do now is gone off on a tangent. I've got more guitars. I've had to move out for now. I'm gonna get them back and keyboards as well. I showed you a little Yamaha keyboard down there. I've got a Marshall amplifier as well. I've got too much stuff. Guitars. There's this guitar here. What's this one doing? This is just a cheap one. I got other ones. It's not tuned up. I got too much stuff on. Anyway, I am going to try and thin it out a bit. I think. Thin it out a bit. Alright, so yeah, I've got it's too much going on with this with these gadgets as well. You know, all this stuff here, too much. But this is the main project that's took me 10 years. That and the software, of course, the UPass software. Where are we? Yeah.
Welcome to UPass. Engine 22 is now online. Engine 23 is now online.
Oops, I'm on the wrong screen here. Right. Yeah, let's put that there. Let's bring on this one again. Right. So these controllers here, as soon as I switch the main software on, which is... You can't see it. I'm pointing to the wrong thing. Actually, if I went onto this shaky cam, maybe you could see it. Let's plonk that on my head. So I plonk that on my head. Hang on. Put that on my head. Head cam. Yeah, I got head cam now. Right. So if I want head cam, right. Where are we? So you got head cam, yeah. I haven't switched over to it though. Let's switch headcam on. Ready? Right, we've got headcam on now. Right, okay. So you can see what I can see, basically. Sort of. So you got the main software. Let's just launch. Let's just expand the main software a minute. Right, you can see that, can't you? Can you see that? I don't know. Oh no, you can't see that. Oh, you can see it on the screen, but you can't see it. Yeah, I see what you mean. Right, okay. Let's bring headcam down to chest cam. Right, your main software, and you can see the gadgets, and you can do stuff with it. Like you switch them on. Look, see that, and you switch them off, and do other stuff. Reboot them, do other stuff. You know, all sorts of stuff. Anyway, you've seen it all before, but I've got to move my guitars out of the way. Right, let's get off shaky cam. Get off shaky cam. Yeah. Right, I can put shaky cam down for a bit. Oh my god, I'm actually going insane, aren't I? Anyway. Is it possible to go insane on a live stream? Of course it is. Anyway, let's shrink this back down. Right, I think I'm going to call it a day. It's a shame, I was having some fun. Let's just close this down a bit.
Thank you for using UPass.
That's okay. That's in a bit low level wise, so I'll play this back. That's another reason I'm doing this stream. Let's just get on to this cam. Yeah, there's a few reasons I'm doing it. I'm doing a bit of a test really, but you know, I'm showing you around and whatever. So I need to sort out this. I might try that ChatGPT information they've given us. Yeah, this one. I might try this. Not sure if it'll work or not, because the way my parameters get sent is via a processor. So I'm just have a look how it's going to be implemented. So right, so you've got this. He's serving up this whenever this page gets asked for. I see. Instead of instead of just that one, then it'll serve up server clients.broadcast. I don't even know if that's supported in here, you know. Script. There's this script. I suppose we could paste it in. Let's tell you what. Let's paste that in. Oh, we got it open. Right, we'll paste it in somewhere. It's a function in it, so I need to paste it somewhere, anywhere really. Let's paste it up the top somewhere, next to another one. Another function. Where have we got some other functions? It's too much code here. Right, we'll put it here. I'll put it there. Right, so we've put it there. Got no desktop audio because nobody's playing. I normally listen to someone. Right, so anyway, I put it there. Can't believe nobody come along and say hello, say hi or nothing. Yeah, no watches, nothing, not a thing. Good old YouTube. Anyway, right, so I'll put that there. Delay. Why have we got a delay? Replace this with actual async. I wonder why it's put a delay in. Oh, I don't know. Oh, to simulate. They put the delay in to simulate an async option. I'll tell you what, we won't simulate it. I'll try it. Now it depends whether this bit will compile. So I'll leave it as it is. Let's just see if it'll compile. But what we want is the other bit of the code. Oh, we don't want loop, we want this server on thing. So I could go to the server on. Yeah, just put that into the. Right, now I could do that. find the one for TB1. Let's try that. Let's find the one. Right, so we want the one for TB1. Oh, T1 it is. Oh no, that's the click event. So I need the ID of TB1. Now let's find out where this goes to. TB1 updates it, so it's doing it itself basically. But it's looking for TB1. So if I put it into TB1, yeah. Let's find TB1. Where's TB1? T2, T1. Is it TB1 or T1? TB1. TB2, okay. Where are they? Have I got any? Have I got any TB1, TB2? Don't know. Oh yeah, here we are. Okay. Oh yeah, because it's going to return that string. So let's put this in there. Okay. Read toggle class. Yeah, that's where it toggles the class. So instead of toggling the class, we need to do. Oh, I need to look at his code again. Hang on. I say his. It might not be page updated. Right. Okay. So request send text HTML page updated. It's just sending something back. I don't know why it's sending. Plain text page updated. Right, okay, we'll just do what it suggests. Okay, let's see if it'll compile now. It won't know where this is. So I'll have to go down to here. So I put this low down. Arduino seems to know where it is, but this Visual Studio Code and that won't know where it is. So what I need to do is update element. I need to just get that. This all might go wrong if this doesn't support this command. I need to put that over in the H. It needs to go here somewhere. Somewhere like that. Okay, let's try and compile it. See if that'll compile a minute. While that's doing, I'll leave it on. Leave it like that. Yeah, I'll have a sip. Anyway, what a game. Ah, that's better. So this is a very impromptu sort of. Yeah, it doesn't like something. What didn't it like? Async web server has no member name clients. Yeah, I didn't think it would. Alright, so we need to go back down here. Right. Doesn't know clients. Right, okay, let's copy that. Let's go and fire that back at ChatGPT. See what he says. So it'll say I'm using an outdated thing, but I'm using the right one. Apologise for confusion. It seems I made an error in my previous response. Class does not have a direct member name client. Update the class real time. Make it use a WebSocket for real time additional requests. Right, what's it done? Oh, I don't want to do a WebSocket. In this case, a WebSocket service start and port you on the calls and a WebSocket function handle web message. No, I don't want to go down that route. Don't want to use web sockets. It probably tell me to go away. If you prefer not to use web but still want to achieve real-time updates without reloading the page, you might consider using JavaScript on the client side to periodically fetch updates to the server. Here's an example of how you might modify the code. That's what I'm doing already. Right, I'm already doing that. That's how it's doing it already. Right, server on, string get updated data, update, loop, update element periodically. Oh my god, no. Update element periodically. No, this is crazy. I'll have to simplify it. Right, so let's take that code. Let's take that out of the code. It's a nice idea, but broadcast. No, that's it. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that, and get rid of the other bit we've changed as well. If I can find it again, there it is. Alright, so we want to just get rid of that and put that back and get rid of that. Right, we're back again. Alright, okay. So that should compile now. Oh, get rid of this. Trial and error, and the only problem is it does take a long time. A long time to recompile that. So nobody's around today. Either that or on a different planet or in a different time zone. Different time zone, crikey. Either that or yeah, we're streaming alright. Right, anyway, I'm gonna say bye for now. I should call this the crazy something live stream, couldn't I? Crazy, what's he gonna call it? Just some kind of crazy randomness. Yeah. Anyway, right. I'll leave it at that. Keep it short. What? Hour and 20 minutes? Is that short? Probably not. Right then. I'll see you all soon. Go to bed. Go and get some kip. Bye for now. Ta-ra.